Hello everybody, recently I bought this couple of lightning surge protectors. They came in this plastic box with user manual, types of protectors, all parameters. Two connectors. But here you can see the element 2R230. You can replace at any time. It seems pretty good. Let's connect to the Nano VNA and check SWR. Right now I'm using dummy load. You see from 1 MHz till 500 MHz. Let's connect this amount of connectors and check them together. Probably SWR will increase. Yeah, I see this amount of connectors because of high SWR. Let's check with surge protector. Almost the same. Probably this device is working pretty good. Let's see what happened. Nothing. Let's put it back. I think this device should be placed on the antenna line. Just install them in my feeder lines VHF, UHF and HF, and each of them connected to the grounding system. Leave a comment who using this device. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.